Introducing TechnoDigm, the latest liquid dispensing controller, the DD3000. It comes with a large LCD, touchscreen display panel that enables you to easily navigate across various functions. It also displays actual input pressure, syringe pressure, and vacuum pressure. Over here, you can monitor the vacuum pressure and the syringe pressure directly on the screen. The DD3000 also has an adjustable suckback feature. Air is converted to produce vacuum, which is then introduced at the end of a dispensing cycle to prevent the material from dripping. DD3000 has 4 modes of operation. First mode is the manual mode. By setting the on time and the off time to 0, the controller is now in manual mode. Now, by pressing on the foot pedal or the start button, DD3000 will continue to dispense. As long as you continues to press on, the dispensing will continue to operate. To stop the dispensing, all you need to do is to stop pressing the foot pedal or press the stop button. Second mode is the auto mode. Let's say you set the desired on time to 3.5 seconds, set the off time to 0. The controller is now in auto mode. By pressing the start button or the foot pedal, the process will be activated. Once the on time has lapsed, the dispensing will stop. In auto mode, the length of pressing start button or the foot pedal does not affect the dispensing timing. Third mode is the cycle mode. For example, you set the on time to 2.5 sec and the off time to 1 sec. The last you set the number of cycles to 3. This way, it is set to cycle mode. The process will repeat according to the number of cycles set by you. You can choose to stop the process at any point of time. The fourth is the cycle mode with counter. Let's say you set the on time to 2 sec, the off time to 2.8 sec, and set the number of cycles to 0. By pressing the start button or the foot pedal, the process is activated. The process will continuously repeat until the stop button or the foot pedal is pressed again. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website for more information.